Hi viewer, my name is Mohammed Islam. To show you Windows version, which version do you use in your computer? First method one, right click here and click here. Press WINVER, enter. Show that version 1709 for creator update Windows 10. Methods 2. You can use from here, right click, left click and go to setting and system notification and power. Click about. Here Windows 10 professional version 700 OS builder eto. Also you can search here WINVER and run this command. Method 4. You can go control panel or you can go setting system display notification and power and about. Also you can use method 5, right click here, display setting and click about. Thanks viewer. If you face any problem, please comment below. Thank you.